Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to fix camera failed error on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just tap and hold on the camera app icon. Now from here just tap on the eye icon. Now from here tap on storage. Now from here tap on clear data. Now from here select clear cache. Now just tap on OK. Now just tap on clear all data. Now from here tap on OK. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now from here just open the settings app. Now from here scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here tap on system apps. Now from here tap on camera. Now from here scroll down. Now just tap on restore default settings. Now just tap on OK. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just press and hold the power button to reboot your smartphone. Now from here, just swipe down to reboot your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds for your smartphone to reboot and to fix the camera failed error. Now as you can see, our smartphone has finished rebooting. Now from here, just open the camera app and check if it shows the error. Now from here, just give the camera app these permissions. Now from here, as you can see, this is how you can fix the camera failed error on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.